Would you like to have the footer be forced to the bottom of the page and on templates as well? Well, I'm going to show you how to do that. But before I do, I'm going to have to give a shout out to Dave Den, because Dave Den already did a video on this, and I'm just going to dovetail what he's already started, and he did it great for pages. And then I realized templates, the footer was not being forced to the bottom. So let me just say, Dave Den, thank you for the beginning of this journey of getting footers to be forced to the bottom. But I did some playing around and I noticed that Dave did a very excellent explanation on his video to get the footer to be forced to the bottom. But then I got to a template part or a template page and the footers were not being forced. So let's get to fixing that. So here I am on a page that has no content on it. And let's just say there's not a lot of content that's going to go on this page. And we've got this area down here that it's not being forced to the bottom of the page. Now, again, shout out to Dave. He did an excellent job on the code and explaining why. You can go watch his video. And I'm just going to put the bare minimum code in the customizer. So I'm going to switch over to the customizer. And so here's the code for pages to work. He explains the body and the main element and the flex grow right here. All of that code forces pages. So I'm going to hit publish and I'm going to go back to my about page and I'm going to hit refresh. I know why. I know why. I know why it's not working. Because this page is in a single page template. So I'm going to come back to the customizer and I'm going to add under main, I'm going to add a comma, which means I'm adding something to flex grow as well. And we need to single out a class. And that class is Elementor dash location dash single. And we're going to hit publish. And I'm going to go back to the about page that has a single page template. And now I'm going to hit refresh. And now the footer, this section here, is going to be forced to the bottom. And there it is. It is forced to the bottom. From here, this Crown Consulting, that's the header. But on my single page templates, I have this page name and this little extra feature. So we added the single page template class, which is, let's go back and take a look at it, Elementor location single. That is the class you need to add. Now if we go to an archive page, we need a class as well. Now I don't happen to have a archive page. This works with your search archive page. It's just any archive page. There's another class we need to add, which is comma. And if you thought .elementor dash location dash archive, you'd be right. So if you add that one, Elementor dash location dash archive, it should work. I've tested it, it should work for your archive templates as well. So I hope this helped you take Dave Den's video and go further with archive templates and page templates as well.